Hi there, this is Vanessa. I create custom diamond rings for clients all over the world, and I wanted to create this video for all of my clients who are engineers out there because I think they would appreciate this aspect of the design process. So this is the same ring for the same client. However, I just got back from one of my CAD modelers this first version of the design. And one thing that I'm always keeping in mind whenever I'm creating a ring is the structural support for the diamonds and to ensure longevity of the overall ring. So if this were just a mass manufactured, really quickly made model, little things like this, and even with some custom jewelers, they don't take into consideration every single aspect of the ring. A lot of times it's just based on the overall look of it, but not necessarily the structural integrity of the design, making sure that it's going to last long term. So I'm not sure if you can actually tell what it is about this ring that instantly jumped out at me as something I know to pay attention to, but if you haven't, I'm going to point it out right now. This section right here, if you'll notice the shank metal, well, it's not actually metal right now, it's just in the computer, but the portion of the shank here where it connects to this joint is not brought all the way to this area here and filling this in. So what I had my CAD modeler do is bring it up to fill this section so there's much more of a secure joint. Because if I don't do that, you'll notice right here, all the diamonds are going to be supported by is this tiny little joint here and this tiny little joint on both sides. And so if she's wearing her ring to, a baseball game and clapping her hands together, I mean, this metal is just not very supported. And so even this is going to be in platinum. So really what I don't want to happen is any sort of bending at this joint here. And so by bringing the metal up into this section here, visually it's going to still look stunning. All the lines are very clean and smooth, and the diamond's going to be set on top so it actually covers this section, but underneath I know that it has a much more secure positioning here versus the thinner joint that this previously had. So this is just one example. The second thing to look for, here's this comfort fit shank. So it would be much easier if I made this pipe cut, basically a 90-degree angle on the inside, because I just polish or sand it on one side, sand it on the inside, and do a quick polish and we're done. But by adding this really nice comfort fit line on the inside, it's just much more comfortable when she's wearing it. She won't feel those sharp edges and it will just feel just like buttery, smooth metal. So that's my goal. And as far as the overall design, I'm going to be shaping these by hand to be very thin, nice claw prongs to flow in line with the facets of the diamond that we chose here. So I hope this was helpful in giving you an insight into the design process when I'm creating a ring. A lot of these things are not subjects that clients are prone to think about. Well, for my engineer clients, they are. But I just want to let you know I've got your back. These are the type of things that I pay attention to, even if you don't even think to ask about them. So I hope this was helpful and have an awesome day. All right, if you're looking to create your very own custom diamond ring, definitely reach out. I create rings for clients all over the world and it's my absolute joy. I love making gorgeous rings and exceeding my clients' expectations. All right, talk to you later. Bye-bye.